Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here, and it's been a while I haven't done unboxing and review of scents or perfume. And since I myself love perfumes or scents as part of my personal care, I love perfume. I always wanted to smell good and looks good as well. So yeah, I have here is YSL, is Saint Laurent perfume, and I have a couple of years I've been using Saint Laurent perfume, and this one is different scents that I have here. Yeah, but before that we go further. Let's do a short intro. So there you go. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, and it's Erica Lifestyle here, and I hope you guys are doing okay and all right. So yeah, without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling and let's do the unboxing. So yeah, oh my god, I love this YSL Saint Laurent perfume. Why? I'm gonna say it later and explain why I love this perfume, if it's lasts too long or if it smells good. So let's see, let's find out. So first, let's unbox this together. This is the box. It's like color black and kind of purple and purple rose gold. I think this is kind of rose gold, same color as my top, and yeah, it's black there. And open it. There you go. As when you open this one, it has like, you can tell it's original. It has here a YSL right there. You can see the logo. It's gold, and oh my goodness, I love it. It's kind of heavy though. Let's close this one. So there you go. It has a little black ribbon on the top there, and it has the logo. It has the logo right there. There, you can see it's gold. And on the top, there's YSL there too. You can see from the light. Yeah, see. And oh my goodness. So let's try if it smells so good, and if it smells so good, I must in love with this perfume. Yeah, it has a spray there, and it smells so good. So let's find out. And let's put it there, and I'm gonna explain it to you what about this item. So as like I said earlier, it's YSL. Let me put the in the front like that. So it's YSL, or it's Mon Paris. It's Mon Paris because there's a lot of scent from the YSL. So this is for women, not for men. So this is for women out there, to all my friends out there, this is perfect for your mom or your girlfriends or your sister as gift. This is let me see. So that's a Mon Paris, and I forgot the ml. It's 90 ml. Yeah, it's that's why it's in a big bottle. And yeah, this is, by the way, this is not for promotion, collaboration. It's just for review, so an unboxing. So this is Saint Laurent Mon Paris perfume, and 3 fluid ounce. So 4 ml is 90 ml. So it's 116.4 dollars, so 116 US dollar. Not bad. So it would last forever. So its item, it's liquid, and it's 3 fluid ounces, which is 90 ml, like I said. And the scent, it's Mon Paris. So you can see there, Mon Paris perfume. So about this item, this product to sneeze. This product is genuine product of its original manufacturer from the YSL, and the packaging for this product may vary from the shown and the image. You know, if you go through Amazon or if you go to the mall, you can buy this to, you know, you can order online as well. So notes this, it has strawberry, raspberry, bergamot, key lime, pear, orange, and an orange flower, jasmine, zambac, and white peony, datura, patchouli, white musk, ambergris, cedarwood, and as well as crystal mousse. So those are the ingredients are alcohol, perfume, fragrance, aqua, water, and benzyl salicylate, benzyl salicylate. So it has linalool, benzyl alcohol, and it has citronellol. My God, it's ethihexyl methocyanamide. Oh my God, I have a hard time reading with this. Don't forget about that one. This is the chemical. So yeah, this, as far as I know, every YSL smells so good. So that's why I choose this YSL, because it smells so good. And yeah, every YSL brand, it's pretty good to me. So yeah, this is, I pretty love it. Oh my goodness, this would add to my collection as well. I love perfume. Oh my goodness. So and then what else? Mon Paris. So yeah, Saint Laurent Mon Paris perfume, and use sparkling fragrance inspired by Paris. So that's one of the trivia of this perfume. It's inspired by Paris, and the city of intense love, the red berries and pear immediately exude sensuality and femininity. So the exotic wild datura flower and the soul of the fragrance embodies desire and seduces distances. Oh my goodness. And finally, this modern and daring flower scent is balanced by creamy white musk and patchouli. And yeah, the experience is a passionate and unforgettable whirlwind journey to Paris. So apply on pulse point, wrist, inner elbow, and neck. So you have to apply here in your wrist point, pulse point, and your wrist here, and your inner, I think here, this inner elbow here, and your neck. I usually put here at the back of my neck or here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And yeah, so once again, this is for women, not for men. This is perfect for women and perfect for as a gift to your mom, friends, girlfriends, or your sisters. This is perfect as a gift. So it's a Mon Paris Saint Laurent perfume. So yeah, so it's vaporizer spray. It's 90 ml. So I'm pretty sure this would last at least. Usually my perfume lasts it's depending how I use. So because even I'm just at home, I use perfume. So yeah, I love it. So this would add to my collection. I always say add to my collection. Of course I'm gonna use as well. So because I want it smells good. So every time, even just at home. So cause some people, they just use their perfume whenever they have dates or whenever they're going outside, or so whenever you just stay at home, you feel good, smells good, have some, I would suggest have some Mon Paris perfume. It's so good. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put the link on my description if you're interested. Bye for now, and see you later. Bye. Thank you.